Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mortal Kombat 1 on your phone. First, understand that the full console version of Mortal Kombat 1 is not directly available as a mobile app. Instead, you'll need to use a cloud gaming service. Services like Xbox Cloud Gaming or NVIDIA GeForce now allow you to stream the game to your device. Make sure you have a very stable internet connection, preferably 5G or a robust Wi-Fi network, for the best experience. To get started, you'll need a subscription to a cloud gaming service that supports Mortal Kombat 1. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate is a popular choice, offering access to many titles. Once subscribed, download the official app for your chosen service from your phone's app store. After installation, simply log in with your account credentials. You might need to link your gaming platform, like your Xbox account, within the app to access your games. For the best fighting game experience, a Bluetooth controller is essential. Touch controls are often not precise enough for Mortal Kombat's fast-paced combat. Pair your controller with your phone before launching the game. Within the cloud gaming app, adjust streaming quality settings to find a balance between visual fidelity and smooth performance based on your internet speed. Close any unnecessary background apps to reduce lag and improve your gameplay. If you encounter lag or stuttering, try troubleshooting your internet connection. Switching to a less congested Wi-Fi channel or moving closer to your router can often help. It's also a good idea to check the cloud gaming service's official status page for any reported outages or maintenance. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy bringing the intense action of Mortal Kombat 1 to your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.